Hey guys, so all my fidgets ran away. So let's go find them. First, let's try to see. Oh, and I found my bracelet making coffee. You're not supposed to be drinking coffee. Okay. Let's put it here. Let's see. Maybe the cabinets? No. Nothing here. Refrigerator? I don't think there's nothing up there. Let's go check in the dining room. Bike chain? Well, I guess he's with the snacks. Come with me, you feisty little thing. Found 2, more to go. Okay, so I just found a squishy under the towel. Well, that's strange. Let's put him here. 3 found, some more to go. Let's see. Oh. Puppy? I don't think you're supposed to. Yeah, I'll let you. Well, that was awkward. Let's see. What others? How about let's check the cabinets? Nothing here. Nothing here either. Let's check here. I don't see anything here. Pop it? You're not supposed to be with the dishes. That's just strange. We found 4. Well, 5 technically, with Puppy sitting on the toilet. Let's check the refrigerator. I already checked the top. Now let's check here. Nothing here. Let's check. Nothing in the orange bin. Nothing in here. I don't think there would be anything in the blue bin. Nope, nothing. Now let's check the middle drawer. Let's see. No bike chains or anything. Nothing. Now let's check the bottom drawer. Pom Pom the penguin. You're not supposed to be in here. Oh, that's freezing cold. Well, he is a penguin. That is freezing cold. Well, we found all of my fidgets. Bye.